Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a super cute pear painting using my Himi Miya Gouache. To the left of the screen you can see what I'm using, which is the Himi Miya Gouache peel off tops. Actually, I'm not using it directly out of the tub or Jelly Cube paint container right away. I'm using the watered down version, so I was using this. I do have a video where I show how more close up on what I did with those peeled off paint lids that I'm actually using as my palette today. So if you wanted to watch that, I'll have that link down below. But I thought that was a really great idea because I love how convenient that is. But back to the painting, this was kind of inspired by a Norman Rockwell sort of look. I liked the lighting that I kind of had going on, but I just went off of a reference and I put together several reference photos to kind of make this end painting, but I thought it was super pretty. And what I'd like to do is go in with a watered down version of the gouache, and then for the last step on the featured item in the center that I'm working on, that's what I'll use the complete thickness of gouache on. Everywhere else I'll be doing the watered down version, but then for the finished like center focal, like in this case the pear slices and the pear, I use the complete thick gouache. And what I would mention is if you are going to do that technique and you find that it's kind of like not painting well and it's super thick and kind of just such a pain to try brushing on, you can get your brush damp, and that way it will help just the paint kind of work, but you're not diluting the paint, you're just kind of helping it slip on there easier with a damp brush. But I did even dab off my brush on like a paper towel gently so that it's not like dripping with water, it's just slightly damp. But I really thought this painting was lots of fun, and I like the shadows I had, and I liked the really pretty yellow background, and I did enjoy doing this one. I am using painter's tape here, blue painter's tape, and for these paintings I was actually just trying to kind of experiment with different tapes and brands of tape and stuff like that, just kind of trying to determine. And you can see this tape tore it, and I guess if you could probably use painter's tape, but I would just recommend that you would heat it up using like a hair dryer before peeling it off, because this didn't work great for me. But I did enjoy making this painting, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.